Alright, so that one's definitely bad. Alright, so that one was bad, right? I mean, I checked all the other ones, and all the other ones are solid. I mean, there's no play at all. So is this cylinder right here, cylinder number 2. I haven't really checked the balance shaft, so I'm not even sure how to get up there, honestly, without taking this guy off. But, I guess I can... Yes, it is just right there. Balance shaft on the oil pump's got a little play. I don't know if you can pick that up, but I definitely can move it with my hand. So very minimal, but like you said, I mean, it only takes a millimeter or whatever. And then the top one I definitely can't get to yet, so this would have to come off. But for the most part, that's what I got going on.